Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look here at PEPE. Got a lot of requests for this one. It is establishing higher highs in the big picture, effectively likely to hit its top here either soon or possibly has already, but I think that's a very slim likelihood. I think it's going to continue to run. So we're going to talk about that and much more. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Thanks again so much for watching. Hope you can learn something today. Do me a favor before we get started, hit the like button on the video, comment below. Really appreciate that. It really helps grow the channel, and honestly, YouTube sucks with recommending my stuff. So deeply appreciate any kind of help you can give me there. So taking a look here on the daily, let's start with this first and just kind of work our way down. Obviously, it's truly bullish. There's no other way around it. PEPE is cranking. Okay. We take a look at all the moving averages, stochastic RSI even still pulling back. The traditional RSI and money flow index are high. Right? When those things happen, you got to respect the fact that the price is more likely to sustain its price point because of XYZ, which in this case is high money flow and of course RSI pretty high. Now, granted, we do want MFI higher than the RSI. Generally speaking, that's a better thing, but beggars can't be choosers, so to speak. So I think it's still very positive. Okay, so the daily time frame is highly contributing. We can see here MACD, we've been converging here for 8 to 12 hours pretty straight. That's a very solid continuation likelihood. We've got a strong point of control here at about 740. Definitely looking like we're going to probably continue higher. It does pull back, likely bounce off this 0.382 fib level at about 760. It's a very common retracement level. Okay, so taking a look at all this here, we can confirm we're truly bullish. Keep in mind, stochastic is getting close to being maxed out. It doesn't mean it instantly turns around, just kind of tells us that a reversal would make sense in the relative near future. And a reversal, folks, can come in a lot of different shapes and forms. It doesn't have to be like a to the ground kind of scenario, right? So if the price does pull back, I think as long as you have a good stop loss in an appropriate area, or you consider a long effectively in a different area, that'd be a good idea. Okay, so taking a look here at the RSI, we can see here that RSI hasn't overextended. Money flow index is right where it should be, so there is definitely more room for leg up. Okay? Just know we're coming into a resistance zone here, so typically when you hit RSI at 70, which is probably this level here at about 923, we could very well see some resistance. All right. Now I get the question a lot, how do you determine, how much further the price will go? Well, with these fib levels here kind of being in on par, so to speak, let's discuss first the price point where the price could pull back. Again, 0.382, 760 is a logical stopping point. 0.5, 0.618 is also a common retracement level, but keep in mind we have a strong point of control here at 740, so there's a decent chance 0.382 would be the pivot point. If the price doesn't continue higher, though, this is how you do it. You essentially reverse your fibs once you have your appropriate levels in place, and effectively take a look here. These are the three areas that we could see happen. So basically 1040 is a round number, 1100, and 1090 are three rough estimates of where the price could continue higher. In other words, it could look like this here, where the price comes up, pulls back down, continues higher. A lot of different scenarios could play out, but these are the most common retraced levels, and those are typically where the price will initially reject out if it comes up. So me personally, when I set take profit targets, I'm doing them just below these levels here. So instead of 1039, I'm going to do 1030. Instead of 1100, I'll do 1095, right? So you want to consider taking profits in these areas here if the price continues further up. If it pulls back, solid entry at 760 would make the most sense. Okay, that's roughly what we're looking at there, folks. Generally speaking, all well and good. Last thing quickly to note here too, Ichimoku Cloud, all green lights. There's no reason to consider shorting this coin. Just because something's overextended doesn't imply it's going to pull back. We've seen a lot of bullish continuation here. Literally every time frame has strong likelihood of further upside and zero likelihood of downside. Granted, the price will probably pull back, and it has already proven to do so, with Bitcoin yanking back down to 66,200, down from 70K. This is what that looks like here. Okay? Instant correction and continuation. So all well and good here, folks. Zero reason to consider shorting this coin, unless, of course, you like low probability trades. I know a lot of people do that. In fact, I've seen on social media, unfortunately through Twitter, a lot of folks posting, 1,000x return because they're using, 100x leverage short top. They're failing to show you how many times it took them to get there, though, right? There's nothing great about getting stopped out multiple times until you get it right. Of course, that's a good learning experience, and it should be. But if you're an idiot and you keep doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, that's the definition of crazy. All right. Conversation for another day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video before you go. Make sure you join Bitunix Phenomenal Exchange. PEPE is getting added to their exchange soon. And if I'm not mistaken, Monday is the time frame for that, the kickoff. And obviously, if you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site where you can join our traders here. We have some phenomenal traders here, and it's been a really good experience. So we took some healthy profits from Solana and Injective here recently. compliments of some of our admins, and of course my trading signals. Hope you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.